Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. MCRT is up 4% as well today. They released the Warrior. If you had the NFT, you watched its growth from a 2D character to a 2D drawing to a 3D character to an NFT to a now playable character inside the game, which is amazing. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and BNB. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in the market. Yesterday we had amazing gains on Google, 4%. If you've been following me, I remember I was saying Google was my number. I'm buying Google, Meta, TSM, Qualcomm, Tesla, MCRT, Bitcoin, Ethereum over the last few months, and that has paid off massively. Bitcoin up 4% yesterday, Meta up 2.9%, which is beautiful. Tesla up 1%. We had a huge day yesterday in the markets. Bitcoin is right now on the monthly oversold, on the weekly overbought, on the daily the stochastic has reset. The stochastic actually reset quite well. It looks like we had a pump and then a pullback. Wow, look at that. We had just now a giant pump on Bitcoin to 23,455. It broke out of this descending triangle, and when you zoom in closer, you can see that it's inside a rising ascending wedge, or a megaphone, also in a rising channel. It's bouncing between these points of the channel, and that's how I called it yesterday off the bottom, which is beautiful. And it broke out of this triangle, also beautiful. If you want to learn technical analysis, you can learn in the crypto master course. The crypto guru bot is also showing a buy on the 4 hourly. On the daily, it called the buy exactly off the bottom for Bitcoin, or close to the bottom. It's one of the indicators you use with other indicators. It called a buy at 17,700, now sitting at 24,000. It's still a blue buy, which is beautiful. It's one of the indicators, again, you use with the other indicators. You don't use it individually. On the 4 hourly, we're breaking out. Volume spike. We're overbought though on the 4 hourly. Hourly, we pulled back quite a lot in the last few hours. We went from 23,500. But what that's doing, and that's why I said yesterday as well, it's taking out all the sell orders on Bitcoin. So in my opinion, I would be going long from very soon from here, from Bitcoin. If you haven't, where I would open a long on Bitcoin is here of this support. I mean, the strongest support is here. Why? Because you can see many times that Bitcoin was bouncing off this area here. So that's where there's like really strong support line. So I would go long on Bitcoin after a little bit more of a pullback to there. Stop loss just underneath, and take profit after breaking out of this rising channel and this bull flag. The target will be 28,000, but 24,000 is a very strong resistance. So you can take profit there, 24,600, but the main area of resistance is at 28,900. And that gives us a 29 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $202 to make $6,009 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that's $60,000 profits. With 20x leverage, that's $120,000 of profits. Opening the trade at 22,922, stop loss at 22,719, and take profit at 29,000, around 28,931. 29 risk to reward ratio trade. That's the trade setup that I would set on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Risking again $200 to make $6,000 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $60,000. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video, in the description and pin comment down below under the video, you can sign up to Bybit using that link down at the bottom. Use that link to sign up. $30,000 worth of bonuses when you sign up, but it is for a limited time only, that bonus that Bybit is giving. So in the description and the pin comment down below, going down, signing up to Bybit, you can also get MCRT on there. Take the Crypto Master course with 7,000 students so you know what you're doing. Make sure you learn how to trade. Join the free Telegram alerts group as well. And MCRT currently is up around 4.4% today, up 3.7 against Bitcoin, 2.7 against Ethereum, rank 818, market cap 9.8 million, volume quite strong, 607,000. MCRT is starting to climb. You can get it on Bybit and many other exchanges as well. I'm going to show you my trades. Right now I have a trade open on I've got a trade open on Bitcoin, $11,000 in the profits. I didn't close it. It went up a lot yesterday, 121%. BNB trade, 2,600%, $2,600 up. In here, I have 252,000. I've got 5.5 Bitcoin, 10.5 million MCRT, 20,000 USDT in here. which is beautiful. I've been buying a lot of MCRT down here. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice, but that's been paying off quite a bit. I bought $1,000 yesterday. I've been buying almost $1,000 a day lately, for a while actually. So I'm adding another $1,000 to this, 218,000 MCRT. I've been stacking, and it's filling the order right now. You can see $1,000 gets me 218,000 MCRT, which is beautiful. So in here I have 10.6 million, 5.5 Bitcoin, etc. Also, I'm going to show you BNB trades in a minute, where I think BNB is going to be going. Also, the Warrior was just added to one of the test version. The Warrior is now live in the game, which is epic. I can't wait to show you. Also, I'll be speaking at AIBC event on the 13th of March in Dubai. If you want to come and join me at AIBC, I'll be speaking on stage, talking about crypto, which is beautiful. Your Telegram group has been great. Love the profit people are making. James, you single-handedly made me over $10,000 in a week. Gotta love it. You're welcome. So much development from our full-time teams. 40 Unity developers. This is for MCRT. 13 smart contract developers, 20 people marketing team, 4 people legal team. The team is just building amazing, and that's showing the game is coming to life. This is the new Warrior added to the game and his new VFX moves. And people are loving him. And these are some of the gains my students making. This student made $1,500 in the free Telegram on FXS. This student made 265% on FXS. This student made 145% on FXS. This was in the last few days. And you can see some of the gains people are making, and me included. This student 432%. This student 52%. This student 71%. Many people making huge gains, which is beautiful. Let's go into BNB now. So I'm going to look at BNB because I've been adding. So BNB 330, big congratulations. We're buying it very far down actually. And that trade perfectly played out from that last time I did an analysis on BNB. Actually, both of them, look at those previous trades, epic. Right now we're in a rising wedge. This is it. Oh, wow. Look at this. So this red line, what you're seeing here, if you zoom out on BNB, this red line is the big downtrend line at the start of the bear market. When BNB went on November 11th, when I called the day of the top from 675, it went all the way down to 195. And you can see here that it's sitting right, and the crypto guru bot calling it as well, by the way. It fired a buy here at 272, and you can see that it's sitting right above that red trend line. See, it's sitting right above the red trend line, that downtrend line. So BNB right now is sitting above that trend line. So if it breaks out right now, we could have a massive run on BNB taking us towards 645. These green lines are the resistance lines. It hit my target and hit the resistance at 336. Perfectly hit that target, which is beautiful. I'll get rid of. So if we can hold here, this is an epic place to go long on BNB. If it gets rejected though, then we could have a big fall on BNB. This is a very important moment. If it gets rejected, 223. If it breaks out here, which it should, this technical pattern, this big descending triangle, as I teach you in the crypto master course, usually it works like this. It builds pressure, builds pressure, builds pressure, and it breaks out usually towards the end of the triangle. I mean, the triangle only really starts from there, you could say, because of the base. Builds pressure and breaks out. So the target will be 645 if that breakout happens. So I would go long here on BNB. I would go long from this support, off the weekly support. Here, stop loss just underneath. And the take profit all the way at the massive target. I mean, first target 398, second target 645. So you could take a really long-term trade here on BNB if it manages to hold this trend line. If it doesn't, it'll just wick out and close anyway. But if it holds this trend line, this is an epic long-term trade on BNB that will be taking us towards 144 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $2.20 per BNB to make $317 per BNB, which is incredible. So it's 144. It's a 96% gain without leverage. So with 10x leverage, it's 960% gain. That's the BNB trade that I would open. I'll get rid of these previous trades because then you'll be able to see the trade setup. So the stop loss, the trade open is at 327, stop loss 325, and take profit at 645, which is beautiful. That's updating you on the market. That's what's happening. MCRT team is building a lot of amazing stuff. Check it out. If you're not yet part of the project, make sure research MCRT. Do your own due diligence, everyone. This is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own due diligence. Research, study yourself. These are what I think and what's happening in the market. But pay attention to MCRT. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button and smash that thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.